Okay, so here's where we are, guys. It's been a crazy month. Um, just to clarify, I got an offer on the house, and excuse me, I had to close in 10 days, so and I had like 5 days to move, because 5 days prior to closing, I had to have everything out of the house, this, that, and the other. So it was kind of really, really crazy. My daughter and my son-in-law came over. We literally packed up and loaded. A lot of stuff got thrown into bags. And as you saw, it's still all in that one room. However, Miss Gerty over there has been getting lots of upgrades. Yeah, I have 3 new doors on it. Fortunately, there was a white van, that was compatible with this one. Excuse me, it's been a day. There's a white van in the junkyard that, whatchamacallit, was compatible with this one, so we were able to get 3 new doors for it. So all the doors open and close now. And tomorrow we have to get a part for, I'm waiting on a sensor is what I'm waiting on, because it's a throttle body sensor. I think that's what it's called. Anyways, it basically, I think it controls the flow of gas into the carburetor, because I have a fuel injected carburetor, believe it or not. Yeah, because back in the 90s, before they went full fuel injection, that's what they did. And so now it's the only part I'm waiting on. We should have it tomorrow. But on another note, tomorrow the solar stuff comes in. The only thing I have to get is a battery and a power inverter. Those are the 2 things that I'm gonna have to get to be operational. My son-in-law is going to take one of my window units, put it into one of the back windows, which will be able to run the AC on the solar, with the so this way the dogs, this, that, and the other. All right, as I was saying, so I ended up breaking even on the house, which kind of sucks. But it's okay. It's okay. Fortunately, however, my house insurance had just gone into effect 2 weeks before closing. So the money that was paid through my escrow for the entire year of insurance on my house, I ended up getting, a refund. That helped me to finish getting the parts I needed for the van. And I bought the solar for it as well. And I also paid for several upcoming events that I have to go do. So I'm going to be doing the Spring Water Festival in Williamston, South Carolina. That's in 2 weeks. And then after that, I forget, but I'll put a list of them here on the video, and you guys will be able to see everything that I have coming up. I'm going to Tennessee, Virginia, South Carolina, Georgia, and I believe Ohio. So yeah, I'm excited. Heading north, getting out of Florida for the summer, and then I have to come down in June for the Watermelon Festival in Cheifland. Then go back up to Tennessee. I think something like that. I don't remember. I'll put it all. You guys will see. And then I also have to go back to Tennessee, or I have to come back down to Florida for the 4th of July. I'll be in Dunnellon, and then after that, I'm going to Tennessee for the end of July and some other stuff. So stay tuned, guys. I do know that I have to go to be in Florida for the end of September for the Northwest Florida Fair. I'll be going back to that this year. Yeah. I'm looking forward to going up north during the summer. Really am. But hopefully after that I'll have all the kinks worked out in the van, and I have to get a battery and an inverter, but I can't get that right now because after paying for all those things I needed for the van, after paying for all the events that I have coming up, I have to really put a tight knit on the money right now, so this way I can make it to South Carolina. I'm excited about that because last year I did that event, and it was a good event, so yeah, I'm excited about it. And no, I'm not excited. I'm not excited at all. I'm totally unmotivated and everything else. I only say that because every time I say I'm excited about something, it turns into a flop, and I don't want it to turn into a flop, so I am not excited or motivated at all. Not one bit. Nope. Anyhow. Yeah. So, I hope you guys are ready for part 2 of my journey. And my home base is now my daughter's house. So funny. It's so weird. But it'll be okay. The dogs, they are getting along just fine. I'm going to put a little snippet in of them playing with one of my daughter's dogs that I just took today, actually. So stay tuned in this video for that. And that's a Daniel right there. Wave, Bug. Say hi. Say hi. He's so cute. But yeah, that's where I am. So stay tuned, and it is festival season. It is festival season. Let's do this. Miss Lady. Did you guys get all of your running out? Are we tired now? We got all of our running around out? Hi, Ladybug. Lady's gonna get in on the play action, huh? Hey!